Okay, let's talk about how crew can confirm their attendance, once they've been confirmed onto a job in the run up to it actually happening, and also how they can check in at the event when they actually arrive on the day. So over in the admin window here, you'll notice we're on the boards, but we've gone to the status tab. And basically what you can do is you can filter down. So maybe I'm just interested in seeing who we got working for us this week. So I can quickly filter down and see, right, we've got all these people working for us this week. Maybe I want to then filter furthest by, actually I'm only interested in those people on the toughest mudder board. So there again, and again, you can filter down by job, role, etc., etc. So we've got these people working for us this week. If I want to, I can actually download this list as an Excel, as a crew list if you need to send it to, the venue for accreditation purposes, or if you just want a hard copy, basically of, people that are working. But the thing I want to show you in this tutorial is this status thing here, the status column here. So basically, Greg he's working for us, today, Tuesday, and he's working as a DJ in the evening and also as a first aider on the Tough Mudder event. This one's already sort of underway. So just to show you over in the crew app here, Greg will, first let's check in. So Greg's arrived on site. He's less than 500 meters from the location you've set on the job ad. And what he sees is this big red check-in button that's prompting him to say check in. So he presses that check-in button. It's obviously going to ask for access to his location. Checks in, and you'll see he's now, it gives him the message he's successfully checked in. And when you refresh your page or it reloads, what you'll now notice is Greg will be showing as checked in. So Greg has checked in on the event. He's good to go. We can actually see, the time he checked in as well. So we know you checked in a little bit later on than he was supposed to. So that's check-in, and that's actually on the day of the event. But, often as an agency, you just want to know that crew have remembered they're working, because they might have booked themselves on the job a couple of weeks in advance, and you just want to know, the day before that they've remembered they're working. So that's what we call confirming attendance. So crew receive this sort of message 18 hours before the start of the job, before the start of the role, and again, it's a big red button that says confirm attendance. So all the crew do is push that big red button, and when you refresh the page or log in on the status page, what you see is it pops up as this attending, and we see exactly the time he confirmed his attendance. So hopefully a really handy way for you guys to keep control or just checking in on crew in terms of their statuses and confirming their attendance, and also whether they've actually checked in on site. If you did want to use, if you did want to follow up those people that haven't checked in or haven't confirmed their attendance, you can obviously give them a quick ring from here. But another way is actually, selecting those people. Maybe you want to kind of give these guys a quick reminder manually, saying, oh, remember you're working tomorrow. Select those people, and you can obviously select a chat. If you want to learn more about how that chat works, obviously watch that tutorial. But basically it adds those people you've selected into a chat, and then you can send them a message. Say, hey guys, remember tomorrow. Attached is the brief. Sorry, my typing is terrible. You can attach files, send it out, and then crew can obviously reply through that. So hopefully you'll find many uses for status. We absolutely love it at Liveforce. And yeah, if you've got more ideas, suggestions about how this can be even better, feel free to send them in. And if you need help, obviously just contact us through support.